Hello, 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 hello. Welcome back to our second tutorial. Yeah, so the last time we had a lesson on the interface of virtual DJ. If you install it, how virtual DJ will look like. We also went through the features, what each feature does, you know, so far as virtual DJ is concerned. Okay, so now this is virtual DJ on a PC. Okay, you can use a controller to can connect a controller to it and then use. But don't forget that the software you downloaded and installed is for home use, for promotional purposes. It is not supposed to be for a commercial use. Okay. So if you want to use this for a commercial use, it means that you need to register and have a license before you can use it. Okay, you can see here, you know, yeah, of course, I have a license, but I've not been able to subscribe to any of the monthly something. Okay, so yeah, my email is in there. Now, to even connect a controller to this to use, you need to subscribe to, you see, required for working DJs, gives access to all controllers. So you can see, to connect a controller to this for it to work perfectly, you need to subscribe $19 a month. Okay, you can see all different types of subscriptions here. Now, you cannot cheat the system. If you want to use a controller without getting the license, pro license, I tried it. I connected the Pioneer DJ controller. It lasted for only 5 minutes and then it got locked again. I get it. So it is for home use. And for home use, you can use the keyboard to DJ. Okay, you can use the keyboard to DJ. Now, if you install virtual DJ, it comes with its own default settings. Now, let's go to controllers. Its default settings. Okay, the Q, the crossfader, page up, page down controls the crossfader. The space bar controls play or pause. You can play or pause the music. Even P on the keyboard stands for play or pause, and then S stop. These are the default keys that the software comes with. But then you can also do your custom key mapping. As you can see here, custom mapping. You can add your own keys, customize the keyboard in a way that will make it easy and flexible for you to use. Okay, easy and flexible for you to use. Now we will come to key mapping and stuff. Okay, we will come to that. Okay, but for now, I just want us to look at the other settings on the software. So to go to settings, you have to click on this button here. Okay, you click on it, it opens the settings um, window for you. Okay, this talks about tutorial. If you have internet connection, to take you onto the internet for tutorials. Now this place talks about the audio. Now the setup, sound setup. Do you want to set it up for speaker only or computer audio? You have a separate mixer you want to connect it to. You click on this, it gives you, all of them gives you different options down here. Okay, speaker and headphone. So with the speaker and headphone, you connect it such that you can listen to the song before you play it out in the deck. As a DJ, you first need to preview a song. That's why we put on the headphone. You need to preview the song before you release it in the deck so that it can sync or mix with the track that is already playing. All right. Then you have stereo to mono splitter, USB sound card. So once you select the speaker plus headphone, the USB sound card must come in. You either use the sound card, the USB sound card, as your preview, as in use it to listen to the song before you release it in the deck, or you use that as your main sound out. That means you're going to use the laptop's earpiece jack as the preview, how do you call it, earpiece. All right. Then you can also set up a microphone, so you can speak through it. There are a lot of stuff there. So as you can see, my setup, my master is the computer's earphone jack. That is the master. And then my headphone, I use the USB sound card for my headphone. Now let's go to the interface over here. As I told you in our previous lesson, if you install Virtual DJ, this is the interface that will come. This is the default interface, the interface that comes with the software. But then you can also download other interfaces and use to customize it. So I have HD by Daniel here. You know, you see how it looks like. I'm going to click on it and we go to the main. Then you see. So now let's go. You see how it has changed the interface. This kind of looks like a Serato kind of interface. Now let's go back and have a look at more. We have the same Daniel 2020, which is also different. Another Daniel again, we have Hot Wheel. Now let's look at these two. See how it will look like. This is how the Hot Wheel interface also looks like. So as you begin to use the software, okay, yeah, this is a Serato skin. You see everything is changed. Everything is changed. I can use this to play whatever track I want to play. You get it? Whatever track I want to play, I can use this to play whatever track. So it depends on the interface you want to use. All right. Good. Now let's come to okay. Of course, we've spoken about the controllers. We will come to key mapping, how to map keys, how to assign keys to particular functions. So far as the software is concerned, we will get there. Then we have these options here. Of course, most used settings. All right. You will come here. Do not touch anything here. Do not touch anything here. Of course, we've already spoken about the license. Then we have extensions. Extensions. You can download more skins from here to beautify your your player. So you can see we have a lot of skins here, lots of different skins. Okay. All you need to do is to install. Some of them you need a higher license to be able to install them. So as you can see, you need Plus Pro. But these ones, you can install them. Just click on install. It will automatically install. When you come to the interface, you see it there. You click on it and then it applies for you. Okay, good. Now broadcasts. In case you want to do a Facebook Live, which is video, Facebook Live, stream to Facebook. This is your investor resource locator URL, and then stream key. All right, this way you put your your stream key. Then you start broadcast. Hey, it hits the internet, for a Facebook Live video mix. All right, and then in case you are mixing and you want to record your mix, this is where you come to record. Now this is where you put in your file name. Here you type your file name here. Okay, and then the formats. How do you want to record your sound? Is it MP3, WAV, Windows audio version, or web media, or MP4? Is always for a video mix. And then web media too is for video mix. But if you want to do video mix, always go in for the MP4 file format. That one is user friendly and most media players can play them. All right, can play them. So always go for the MP4. And if you want to do an audio mix, always go for the MP3 default audio format. Very, very, very important. Okay, very important. Otherwise, when you select any of these, you finish and maybe your media player will not be able to play the sound back for you to hear the job you have done. All right, good. So once you select the format, you click on Start Record. When you click on Start Record, the software will tell you it is waiting for a sound. So you just close this window and then you go start your sound. And hey, it will pick for you to start your mix. Okay, start your mix. Very, very easy. Okay, good. And then we this is remote, of course. For now, we will not need this. Okay, for now we will not need this. So now there is one thing. Let's go back to the interface. Sometimes you do a mix, video mix, and on the mix you see, yeah, you see this. Let me click here. You see this. Once anybody sees the video, the person knows that you used a virtual DJ for the mix or this. You know that you used virtual DJ for the mix. All right. There are other softwares you can use to remove the virtual DJ logo. Okay. Don't worry about this. Once I start playing a video, no logo, nothing will show that it is virtual DJ that I used. Of course, when we come to the video mixing tutorial, we will learn about that. Okay, we will learn about that. So basically, for the skins and its setup, this is basically all that you need to know. Okay, this place is very, very important. You should know which setup you do here. If you want to be on the safer side, speaker only. It means that you connect your amp to your machine. Once you hit play, it goes. Start playing. Unless you want to do other things like I do or some DJs do, the sound card and other things, then you know which settings to select and what you do here. Okay, what you do here, you must select a sound card for your master and a sound card for your headphones. Very, 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 very important. If you have any questions, you can always ask under the video, put down your comments or hit my inbox and then put your questions there. This video will also be on Facebook, DJ Toddler's Facebook page. You can go there, put your questions there. I'll answer them for you in our next tutorial. In our next tutorial, we're going to see what we can do, what you should do when you start playing a song. When you load a song, just like this, when you load a song, what does it mean? What is all these, waves for? You know, what basically, happens when you load a song. We will try to understand that and then also understand how or what happens when the song is playing. Okay, these are very easy stuff. As I said, get your laptop and stuff ready. You can also download this video, watch it at home, and then you practice alongside. Practice makes man perfect. All right. So if you have any questions, you can ask. Again, do not forget to subscribe and don't forget to click on the notification button down there so that anytime I load a new video, you get notified for you to watch. Catch you another time. This has been your man DJ Toddler, the music god.